Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format images in your Google Vids. So let's say you're working on your Google Vids, you've got a scene and there's an image on that scene and you want to reformat that. You do have a couple of different options. For a lot of stuff in Google Vids, you are going to want to make sure you select the object that you're going to format first. And then if you go to the format menu under image, you'll see you have the opportunity to crop the image, which really just means you're going to show different portions of it. You can sort of remove some of it from sight. You can reset it, which is basically just going to mean it'll assume you just inserted the image again. So it might change size, it might change location if it was resized or moved after it was inserted the first time. You can replace the image with a different image from a number of different sources here, or you can even remove the background. Let's say you have the image you want, but it doesn't quite fit with where you're going to go with it. So for example, in this one, I've got this image of right here, and I don't want the white background to show. I like the image. I just want it to appear as if it's all one solid image. So if I select that image and I go to remove background, it will churn for a moment, and then all of a sudden the white background has been removed and it's as if it was never there. So kind of a neat little trick that you can use with Google Vids, and that's how you can format images in Google Vids. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.